A bit early on when the fast bowlers were bowling. There was some seam movement, but overall the conditions were very tough. I've never played at a ground this cold, so I did find it quite challenging. No, not at all. This chilly weather can never happen in Chennai. We had a proper bowling meeting and some were very honest conversations. Okay, आगे आइए, इनका मतलब क्या था वैसे आज बोलने का?
नहीं, इन्होंने माइलस्टोन बनाया है, सेकंड फास्टेस्ट 50 विकेट
विकेट्स, और उसकी हर्षित की?
हर्षित इन्होंने इंटरनेशनल्स में लिए हैं. Harshit, overall T20, IPL, domestic वगैरह.
We identified where we went wrong and focused on the right approach. Credit has to go to the management and the bowlers. It was a two-way discussion. It worked really well. I was just trying to stick to my strengths. Today the ball was skidding more than turning, so my focus was on skidding the ball onto the batter rather than trying to force too much on the turn. It feels really good. Second fastest to 50 T20 wickets, international wickets. As long as I'm playing for India and contributing with wickets, I'll always feel good.
Grand salute.
I feel
इनसे ऊपर कुलदीप यादव जिन्होंने 30 मैच ली थी. इन्होंने 32 मैच में 50 ली, उन्होंने 30 मैच में 50 ली.
लाइन
क्यों यार?
लेकिन अब तो
प्रियांशु को भी खेलने दें यार.
प्रियांशु बेचारा. अच्छा मैं प्रियांशु को देता हूं. ये ले प्रियांशु. ले ले यार.
यार इससे बड़ी बेइज्जती नहीं हो सकती.
It's hard to get वो लगना जाए.
इससे बड़ी बेइज्जती नहीं हो सकती.
मजाक कर रहा था.
अच्छा वो ढूंढ रहा है बॉल मेरे पास है.
मतलब बोल रहे it's hard to say. तब वो यार पागल हो गए क्या? मुझे मार देंगे देखिए.
मैंने बोला लीजिए यार.
It's hard to say. Tough conditions up front. They got the ball in the right areas and before you know you're 4, 5, 6 down. So got to give credit to their bowling. Then it came on. वैसे 2 मैच हो गए जब इन्होंने ये हरकतें कर दी. दोनों मैच में पारी को संभाल नहीं पाए लोग. ठीक है जी. So you've got to give the credit to their bowling. Then it came on. Bowled a test match delivery. Test match length. It was challenging. So if conditions are the same moving forward, you're just going to have to find ways to get through that and try to put some pressure back on them. You've just got to give credit to that bowling unit on the night. It was tough. लेकिन यार इन्होंने भी तो बाद में
देखो इन्होंने क्या बोला है कि अगर कंडीशंस ऐसे ही जाएंगी आगे मतलब कि आप ऐसे ही विकेट बनवाने वाले.
कंडीशन तो थी. You want to play in this format, but they didn't give us too much to score off. Tried to just take it deep. We obviously lost a couple of wickets. So you think to try to take it deep and make a play at the end. The whole time I was thinking maybe 140, 150 देख ले.
वो गेम था भाई और ये 18वें ओवर में आउट हो गया. अगर पूरे 20 ओवर खेल जाता ना तो यहां तक बना देता.
150 ही चाहिए था उनको. I think we were massively into the game. So again, if I come off that the death here there, I feel like I should be hitting that ball for 6. Then it could be a different.
वो 2 ओवर पहले जो ये आउट हो गया ना 18वें ओवर में अगर वो 2 ओवर खेल जाता
वैसे तो प्रियांशु की बात सही है. 140-50 भी हो जाता. इनको चाहिए थे 170. 170
उसमें जीत जाते.
170 पे तो पक्का
यार. लेकिन आपको सच बताऊं 150 पे लास्ट ओवर तक गेम चली जाती. हां जीतते या नहीं जीतते मर मरा के आप जीतते.
मुझे लग रहा था अभी भी चली
जी 150 पे वो लास्ट ओवर तक गेम चली जाता है. चाहे भले आप जीत जाते हैं जैसे
try to be efficient, try to keep the scoreboard ticking. I think you get to that score of 140, 150. You never want to curb plays. You never want to speak anything negative language about keeping the ball on the floor or whatever the case might be. You always want to encourage the boys to play. Each person will take lessons from tonight and be better cricketers afterwards. Obviously, at the start, they were always going to play that way. So credit to them. He came off. वो उसकी अभिषेक की बात कर रहे हैं कि शुरू में उसने वैसे ही खेलना था.
Good. एशेस का तीसरा मैच कब से भाई?
अबे कितना लंबा बोला है इसने? मेरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. और कौन है?
सूर्या होगा और कौन होगा यार?
Go for 60 है. Surya. I think the sport teaches a lot of things. How you come back into the series is what matters. Come back. तुमने करा कि उन्होंने करा था. There was a lot of learning from the last game and we had a good team meeting as well. We went back to basics. अच्छा पिच बनवा के है. I have been batting beautifully in the nets. I have been batting beautifully in the nets. I have been scoring 10,000 daily. बताओ. I have been batting beautifully in the nets. I am trying to do what's in my control and hope the runs will come soon. Definitely not out of form but out of runs.
रोहित वाली बात है.
क्या फालतू की बकवास है?
वहाँ पे बोला था कि 6 महीने बाद मेरी फॉर्म
जा नहीं रहा और फालतू.
मैं इंसान नहीं मैं बनूं.
रवांडा से कंपेयर.
मैं इंसान नहीं मैं बनूं.
हद हो गई है यार. ये तो जादू लग रहा है मुझे. धूप
मनुष्य है.
आपने बहुत गुड अच्छी बात करी है.
I think we'll enjoy tonight. क्या enjoy करने वाली बात है? We'll enjoy the win tonight. We'll sit down tomorrow when we reach Lucknow and then see what happened in this game. By the way, next match कब है?
We'll enjoy it tonight. We'll enjoy it tonight.
ऑक्शन
17 को.
ऑक्शन परसों है.
परसों.
ठीक है.
कल 15
और 17 को एशेस भी है.
17 को तीसरा मैच.
17 को एशेस भी है लेकिन वो मैच सुबह 5:30 बजे शुरू होगा.
जी.
वो रखो.
When I walked in, everyone told me this is also your home ground. So I told them no, this isn't my home ground. One off day, last game, and it feels nice to do well in this game. Nothing changed. Just try to get the ball in the right areas and get help from the wicket. Tried to keep it simple. I was really Surya Bhai who wanted to keep the suspense. The moment it hit the pad, I knew it was out and got the approval from Jitesh as well. As a bowler, you want to take every review. अच्छा ये बातें हो रही है.
मुझे लगा उसने बोला.
वाले उसके लिए.